Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Listen, outside is open and I'm about to show you guys this bomb drink that you can make. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Okay, but first, guys, so I know you guys normally see me with my hair in braids and stuff like that, but I actually had cut my hair and it grew all the way to like my shoulder, and I decided to cut it short again into a bob. So let me know in the comments what you think about this little cute cut. I might go a little bit shorter, but let me know. So on to this drink. So we're gonna be making this cocktail. Well, it's called a Mezcal Mule. So we're gonna be making this for summertime because we know we outside, okay? We're outside all 2021 for summer. So here are the ingredients. This is Tito's vodka, which I love Tito's vodka. And then we have peach schnapps, we have ginger beer, we have fresh lime juice, and then we have the lime slices that I'm gonna add for decoration. We have mint leaves and some ice. So here's the thing. I normally make Mezcal Mule for my husband, which he loves, but I'm gonna add my own little touch to it and make it a peach Mezcal Mule. I mean, you can add fresh peaches if you want to it and blend it up, but I'm not gonna do that. That's just gonna be decorations. So I decided to get the peach schnapps to add that, to change it up a little bit. Now let's go ahead and make this drink, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get the Tito's, and we're gonna add 2 ounces. Well, first let me add some ice. So we're gonna add some ice. So that should be good. I'm going to add 2 ounces of Tito's vodka. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some peach schnapps to it. So I'm gonna add 1 ounce of that. And you guys, let me know if you would like to see more drink videos. I know I normally do it on my social media, but if you would also like to see it on my YouTube channel and not just my social media, let me know and I can continue to make some more for you guys, because I normally do this on Friday nights. So if you're not following me on social media, which you should, I don't know what you're waiting on, let me know if you want it on YouTube as well, because I can show and make some videos for you guys. Because listen, we're outside, honey. The streets are calling us all of 2021. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some ginger beer to it. And you can just kind of eyeball it. So now we're gonna take a little bit of lime juice. I'm not gonna pour this entire thing. So I'll probably say it would be about like a half of an ounce. And just pour it in there. So now everything is in there. I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit. I have the straw. So now we're gonna go ahead and decorate. This is what I like to do, okay? So I'm gonna take some fresh lime and add it in there. Okay guys, so I washed a piece of the mint leaves, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the drink. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a fresh sliced peach to it for decoration. Just kind of leave it. Let's see if I can add it right here. There we go. Okay guys, so here's the peach Mezcal Mule that I made. I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know if you like it. This is how I would present it if we're having a get together. Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, did you try it? This is a great summer drink that's so refreshing. And thank you guys for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers. We're outside for summer all 2021, okay? Outside is open.